Suspension and storage of DNA. There is a solution that is used for the suspension of the DNA. Although DNA can be dissolved in the water, but it is preferred to dissolve in a solution which is called as TE buffer. TE buffer is abbreviated for tris EDTA. So there is two types of the TE buffer. One is prepared with 10 millimolar tris HCl and 1 millimolar EDTA, and the pH of the solution is 8. While some people they prefer to prepare 10 millimolar tris and 0.0 millimolar EDTA. So most of the people they prefer to prepare this TE solution instead of the first one. So this is the solution. TE is the solution which is used for the resuspension and storage of the DNA. DNA must be stored in slightly basic buffer solutions. DNA can be stored at 4 degrees centigrade and it can be stored at -20 degrees centigrade. Although it is preferred that DNA should be stored at 4 degrees centigrade, but if a person have to store the DNA for long time, then it is preferred that DNA should be stored at -20, or even some people prefer to store it at -60 or up to -80. It is recommended that repeated freezing and thawing of the DNA should be avoided. DNA can also be stored in the dry form. Once the DNA is dried, then it can also be stored at the room temperature.